Cod, cog, cat, cake, cold, cane. Making sure we've got that lovely formation of the C correct. So, cod to start with. Making that C shape with the stick and the flick. Cog. Make the C shape. Make the C shape again, then come round and then link to the C shape again, descending with the G. Cat. C shape, up to form the A, and then tall with the T, and then cross the T at the end. Cake. K, A, with A split E. K is tall, comes down again, underneath, and then the A split E for the long A sound. Remember, that makes the A sound. Cake. Cold. K. O on its own can sometimes make a stretchy O. O. D. So C shape, up and flick, and lastly the past tense of come, I came. C shape, A is a C shape, M, that says cam, the E makes it a nice long A split E, stretchy K.